Nice. I like that. This time we're not acting weird.
The swimming pool is heated, which is nice.
It's super different one, but when we first came in, it was so cold.
Nice.
Subscribe to the channel.
We're back in the swimming pool. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
We're going to make a channel, but not today, probably. Well, this is Abu Hamza Smith.
This is him?
No, Abu Hamza Muhammad. Yeah, I said it wrongly. That's almost his
It's a nice swimming
email.
pool, isn't it? It's pretty nice.
Hey,
Nice camera, nice everything.
This is the video, guys. This is the video. This is our second swimming pool video. This is our second swimming pool video. Second.
Yeah, second one. You can go and find our first one in our channel.
Yeah, but the first one is not right now. It's not right now. It's maybe before yesterday.
Daddy's laughing behind the camera.
Why are you laughing?
Excuse me. We're in the college.
Blah, blah, blah. By the way, we're at the college. We swim in here all the day.